ready to blast off your website's performance with the power of data. First, head over to Google Analytics and sign in with your Google account, or create one if you haven't already. Now, click on the admin gear icon in the bottom left corner. This is your mission control for setting everything up. Under Account, click Create Account and give it a descriptive name, maybe your company's name, then accept the data sharing settings. Next, under Property, click Create Property. This represents your website or app. Give it a name. Select your reporting time zone and currency. Choose carefully. Now you'll need to decide if you want to create a Universal Analytics Property or a Google Analytics for Property, or both. Choose Universal Analytics Property for the older version. Select both for the newer one. You will now be given a tracking ID. Copy this code and paste it into the head greater than section of every page you want to track on your website. Once installed, data will start flowing in on your dashboard. You'll find reports like real-time, audience, acquisition, and behavior. The audience report reveals details about your visitors, their age, gender, location, and interests. Acquisition tells you where your traffic is coming from: Google search, social media, or other websites. Behavior shows you how visitors interact with your site, which pages they view, how long they stay, and the paths they take. Dive deeper by creating custom reports to track specific goals, like form submissions or product purchases. Use this data to optimize your website, refine your marketing strategies, and ultimately, drive better results for your business. So, get started with Google Analytics and watch your website's performance take off. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.